Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick setup on how you can build your own website, be it blog or website for a very low hosting. And all this is totally free at cloudmysite.com. But before we get started, thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing the video. Do subscribe to the newsletter and also go check out cloudmysite.com where you can get your own website for free. Come to cloudmysite.com. You will choose the perhaps choose ready-to-use templates. They have hundreds of ready-to-use websites. You can select and you can tweak. It is similar to WordPress, but without the hassle of the hosting. And CloudMySite, they provide you SSL, CDN, website editor, AI. You can build sections of your website through AI. And all that at $0. They also give you a domain of cloudmysite.net that you could use. And you could always bring your own custom domain. You could always purchase a domain from cloudmysite.com. They have the largest availability of domains that they want. And you can get your website up and running in a matter of minutes, not hours. You have all the different categories, agency, construction, services, you name it, they're going to be having it. Hey, I like this particular website. You can do a preview. I want to use this website. You can totally change this website to be, say, like a trading website. You can take this in the website editor. You can totally revamp it. I'm a dairy business, and I will choose this theme. Now, this is where CloudMySite has different plans. Now, this is the one you could choose. It is 100% free. What you'll be getting is a free domain, free hosting, SSL, website builder, images as well. You could do with Genie, and there is no commission on whatever you sell. You could always get the premium ones, where you will get your business email. You will get contact forms out of the box. You will get continuous backups of your data, version control, statistics of your website, which you will be getting with your custom domain. If you would prefer somebody does it for you, CloudMySite will also do the setup for you. They will build your website. Well, I will choose this one. Provide your email and log in. This is where you will be able to launch your website 100% free. So click and your website should be ready in a matter of minutes. You will be getting your own custom domain. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so your website is ready. You can open in a new tab. The CloudMySite domain, this is a free domain. These are the different pages I get in the website. And you could also have done this in the preview before choosing it. This is where I can go to the dashboard, choose the web pages plan. This is the website I see. These are the different icons. I have analytics, rate the subscription. I can configure my website. Again, these are the paid plans. I can also come from here and I can click on website builder. But since I'm already here, let me click edit your website. From this page, you will see different options and you will see all the pages that are there in your website. You can come here and create your own page. You can also create a new page via AI and we get into that in a minute. But if you want, you can have email. This is where you will need to upgrade your plan. You will need to upgrade and you can also add payments with a simple configuration. This is like similar to WordPress, but a lot more intuitive than WordPress. Because you're editing a global header, if any issues, you can always open a case and the dedicated support team will easily help you tweak your website. I can minimize and I can see the same view as on the website here. I can change this logo, make it way. I can change the link. I can change the icon settings. Or I can change this to social media. I can change the link settings very intuitively. Somebody who is not technical can easily do it. If I want to make a new page, I can easily do it. I have these pages here. I want to change the name, the distribution. You can double click one and you can make it famous. I can find the link. I can change the text here, the background, all very intuitive, something anybody can easily do. You can come to the layer section here, styles. You can select this layer, and this is the div. This is where you can choose a layer, the navigation, the link. So a lot of options. If I'm good with this, I can save it, click save. And because I may want to review with my team members and then later on publish it. Or I can directly publish. This will deploy to globally across the world So you will have minimal latency, and this is all 100% free. So we have the CDN that is going to be deployed globally. Okay. So this header has been successfully published. You can also do this preview. You can also view how it will look in the mobile view and the other mobile view and how it will look. And you can do this, just this particular preview. I can close this IE here. It's full screen. I can view the source code. This is the whole preview of the site, and I can click cancel. This is the documentation. I can change the page. I can take to all the pages from here itself instead of going back. I can go back here and I can preview the website. So you see, this is the changes that have taken effect. I had done all these changes. This is going to be done across the board. If you have to go to a website company, they will charge you hundreds of dollars, and all this you're getting for free. So now I have this menu updated, but I also want to change the pages. Say I want to start with the index page, which is also called the home page. And this is where I see the setting. I want to change the skull image, edit image, and say I want to vary. And you get all these search options. You can always upload your own image, or if you already have images that you have generated with AI, which is Genie, I can choose the previous ones. But if not, I'll just choose this particular image. And if I want to change these images as well, I can easily change it. But for now, this is fine. I'll just do it 15 years, because, or maybe 5 years, because that is a young company. And I can change this. If I just want to change this text, I can just actually change it. I can choose add a section with AI, and I will say create a new section with 6 cards showing our different daily services such as cottage cheese. And I could choose here. I could say below or above, and click submit. Aesthetically nice section with all these different products. It's nice JavaScript and very intuitive icons. It has added all this information. And I can change this text as well. About us, we are a 5-year old company and have an established, say if I choose a country such as India, and established in India and distribution and distribute globally. So you can do this, and you could add additional text as required. The daily services, you can change this, you can change the link settings. So everything is just at the click of the button. You can just change them like this. If you don't want a particular section, you can always delete a section and add it with AI. So I could change all this, but I think that would be a very lengthy video. And I can change the images here. And this is where I will just change it to be, say, dairy product. And I'll change this to be, say, this. Just ensure the size is correct. I'll just divert it, otherwise it can look stretched. Now this is where you see we give the image dimension here, so that you can replace this properly. Otherwise, your website will not look proper if you give the wrong image. Now, this is where you could see this is showing it is stretched, but that may not work when you publish it. For which you are better off choosing the right size, create your own image, or if you don't have the know-how, create to a paid package, and CloudMySite team will work with you to get your website up and running pretty quickly, if required with a template or totally new one as well. If you want, you can create a new section, but I think you get the point. Now, this is where I can save it because I want to do additional. I want to edit the testimonial. And here in testimonial, I can say I want to delete this pages. I want to preferably change the background image. I'll just say dairy product. And this is the background image. You can change the heading, you can delete it. I can just make a new section altogether. I'll save it and I'll just change the footer. And after that, we'll see. And this is the pages. I'll just change it to the footer. And now I'll change it. I'll say India, I'll say Maharashtra, on my address in India. And I'll change the business hours. You could change the link. This is Milky Way. Our rights reserved, and I can make it 2025 for 2026 is year. I'll just do 2026. I can delete this if I want. So I have the changes of index, about, footer, and now I'm good to have those changes published and be live with my website. So I will just come here and click publish. Okay, so the website is there. I already have this open. I can refresh it and I will see the changes. Let's just change one more page, a contact. I'll just delete the usual. I can change the address now for the contact form to work. You will need to upgrade so that you would get an email once you upgrade, and it will be out of the box, just a configuration setting. You can get your own API key, end-to-end secure. Please reach out for any information. You could provide this information. I'll just change this one to be what number I provided earlier. You just need to double click and I'll just change this to be email. I'll change this to be nifty.com. I will save it and I will publish this file now. I have all these pages here, but I want to make a new page. Save terms and conditions. To provide this information, terms, condition. What is the page kind? You could provide content. And the reason for this is, accordingly, AI will generate the right information. Create a nice terms and condition for Milky Way, dairy producer, and worldwide distributor. Provide as much details to ensure that the right data is sent. Click create. Now the page creation, it should be ready in a few seconds. Okay, so terms and condition, page is created. Let's check it out. Click edit. And this is where you may have to change the image because these are the images that we may need to put. Now this is where it created. Contact legal team. We can do a preview of this page as well. So this is how the page is looking. It's kind of good, and we can keep adding sections now. Generate an image using AI. So I clicked here, edit Genie image, and generate image. If the dimension it allowed is good, so that you could just take it from here into 3 or 4 pixels for KE, depth, use it, and quality. This is where we can create our image instead of choosing from our public repository. This is the image that is created for product quality and usage. We could do similarly here. We could double click. And if required, we want to use the same image. So let's update the footer with this page. It is already selected. Now this is where terms and condition. I will change to terms condition and now save. And I think we are done at this point. This was the last change we wanted. And now let us publish. It will take around 40 seconds to distribute some changes globally. Okay, the site is published. Now let us check the live site. We can directly come here, or if you know the URL, you can open it. Now this is the changes we did at the menu. They're all looking good. The image is changed. The section is added. We added the section, then terms and condition, which is already pointing to terms and condition. And this is a new page created. You see, it's very simple, very intuitive. And let us check the testimonial. And this is where the testimonial, I think we missed doing the testimonial. Let us just do it once again. I'll just delete this whole entire section now. This is empty. So what I'll just add a section with AI. Below the section, generate a nice testimonial section that people are talking about Winsky there. I can just say around 6 testimonials. So provide this, let's click submit. Testimonial section is added. These cards are added. It has a nice forward effect. It is a good responsive. I can change this image. You come to layers, choose an image. Let me delete this and try minimizing. So just this minimizing is just it won't really do it unless we move this inside the div. This is where you would need to do it. Otherwise, you can make your AI prompt to provide image icons. Select here and let me just move this inside the div. Let me just change it to be a user. This is the person image. I could choose it and just ensure you provide the right resolution. and do the little tweaking. You could do it with AI, change it, or have the right setup. But you see, this is the testimonial section. I can hit publish again, and I should have these changes in the live website. This is the published one, where the image is there, this layout is there. Essentially, we have our fully functioning website. In probably less than 10 minutes, I have this setup done, and sections added, images added, generated, easy to create pages. There is no limited number of pages. There is good documentation available. You can just come to CloudMySite. This is there, tons of documentation. You can see how to go about changing the favicon, footer menu, how to change text, images, logo. If anything is not clear, please drop in a comment and we can always help you out. And if you run into any issues, you can always open a case. Click here and click support. You can do a lot of things from here, building logout, but come to support and you can open your case. If there's a bug, say something is not working, and if you want a specific functionality, please put in the request and our dedicated support team will be more than happy to help back. I can upgrade my subscription business plan, a basic plan, and you can directly do the payout from here. And later, if you want, once you do the payout, you can go and pick your own domain from the list of available domains. Drop in a comment if any questions, anything you have. And just wanted to mention that for our Indian customers, you will also be able to get the option of using Razorpay, and UPI payment is there as well. So check it out, drop in a comment, and let us know if any issues. Happy website building with CloudMySite.com. Thank you and have a good day.